Hey guys, this is Zorik with Shopping Centers of L.A. I have Phil Atwan from Exchange Resources. Phil, regarding a 1031 exchange, what's the most common question you get in your inbox?
Number one, can I extend the 45 days? Here's the answer. No way. Well, you can, but I think it's called tax fraud. And you don't want to get messing up with the feds or the state with that. Number two is that can I go out of state? Can I buy other property other places? And because I'm not really happy with the state that I'm in. The answer is yes. You can take, it's a federal code, you go into any state. Another item is, one of the biggest questions I get is, can I buy a property as an investment, like a single family, and then convert it into a principal residence? The answer is, if the government thinks that you bought it with the intent to move into it, you're dead meat. It's not going to happen. They're going to disallow the exchange. But if something reasonable happened to you 2 years later, for example, a health change, a family change, a financial change, something can alter that would make it mandatory for you to move into it. Talk to your CPA, that's the most important thing. But really, if you think about it, you have to buy it with the intent to not move into it, but to hold it as investment real estate. And that's why the federal government is allowing you to defer all those 4 taxes from the state that you're selling to the state that you're buying.
Well, you guys heard it from Phil Atwan at Exchange Resources. I'm Zorik Dadoyan with Shopping Centers of L.A. Thank you for watching.